Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be seeing the problem number 2828. So in this problem, what we have to do, we have to uh, concat two strings, which is str1 and str2. And once we concat it, we have to make sure that the strings that we are concatenating at the end of the result, those has to be uppercase. So all the characters in the string, in the final result string, should be uppercase. Okay, how can we achieve this? Let's see. Okay, so first method that we can think of is to simply use two uppercase. Okay, this particular method we can use for that particular string str.to uppercase, and then it will solve the question. But to understand what is the logic behind uppercase and all those things, let's first understand the ASCII characters. Okay, so the ASCII characters for the uppercase letters lies in the range of 65 to 90. So that is capital A and capital Z. And for the lowercase character, it lies in the range of 97 to 122. Okay. Now if somebody asks us, we don't need that, they don't want us to use this uppercase method, and they want us to implement read a particular character of the string one at a time and convert it to the respective uppercase, then what we have to do? So if a particular, let's say this is the particular string, okay, this is the string, so final result will be to create an uppercase will be this, correct? So what we are doing, we are not touching the uppercase values. What we are doing, we are changing the lowercase values to uppercase. Okay, so we can frame as logic like, if a particular character is a lowercase character, then we can subtract the value. Let's see what is the value we can subtract. So this will come to 32. Okay, so if it is a lowercase character, let's say A, then we can subtract this value to get the uppercase character. Okay, so whatever the character that computer is trying to understand, that will happen in case of ASCII values only. So when we subtract it like this, so it will get the value of 65, which is nothing but capital A. So this is the logic. Okay, let's try to code this thing. So let's concat first of all in the simple method. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so we are getting one error. Okay, so there is no return value, we are returning it wrongly. So instead of return, what we have to use, we have to print it. Yeah, so let's submit it. Okay, now so it is accepting. Okay, now let's see the another approach that we were talking earlier, the ASCII character approach. So instead of using this, we will create another string, let's say result, we'll initialize to an empty string, and what we will do, we will concat all these things. Let's not initialize with the empty string, let's concat here itself the string 1 and string 2, and let's run a loop on this particular string to see if a particular character is a lowercase character, then we will make them an uppercase character. That's it. So how we will do, we will just run a loop. Okay, and if a particular character is a lowercase character, then only we will be making as an uppercase, otherwise we will be just appending that character to our string. Okay, so to check if a particular character is a, okay, 1 second, here we have to change the str also. Yeah, so here what we need to see, we need to see that particular character at this particular moment. So we can check it with the help of a function called caret, and if this particular value is greater than or equal to a, which is nothing but a lowercase starting point, and the other, and if it is bounding under the range of small z, then we have to run our uppercase logic. Okay, so which will be in the result, final result, we'll be adding with the help of converting it to a uppercase first. So we will be subtracting 32 value to make it as the value of the uppercase value. So we have shown here, right? If the particular value is small a, if we subtract 32 from there, we will be getting 65, which is nothing but the value of the uppercase a. That's our logic here. Else what we will do, we will just append that particular character to our resulting string. And at the end we have to, once the loop is over, we have to print our final value, the result. Okay, let's just see if it is working. Okay, we are getting some issue. String index is out of range. Okay, which is happening at line number 13, which is over here. Okay, yeah, so here we have used the wrong value, we have to use str. Okay, so str if you are using, let's run it. Okay, okay, we are getting capital A, I love China. Okay, but we are getting output as capital A only. Here what we are doing, we are just running string length, then I++, Okay, so what we are not doing, we are just assigning the values. So instead of we are not appending it to the original value, so that is our mistake. So let's run it now. Okay, now it is working. Now let's submit it. It is getting accepted. So if you find this video insightful, like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.